Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable sleep mode on Instagram. So let's get started. First, we open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on your activity. Then scroll until you find time spent. Next, tap on it. After that, tap on sleep mode. Next, you can see the option of sleep mode. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable sleep mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.